Hello friends, today we are discuss REAT Level 2 2022 Shift 3rd Language 2nd English paper. Question number 61. Choose the correct model auxiliary to the fill in the blanks. You fill in the blanks, improve your spelling. Option A should, option B must, option C can, option D might. Here the correct answer is option A should. Next question 62. What's the good of entering into negotiations with a man of straw? Here a man of straw means option A, a man of no substance or consequence, option B, a man who is made of straw, option C, a man who is light in weight, option D, a man who strays here and there. Here the correct answer is option A. Next question 63. A poem that has 14 lines, each usually containing 10 syllables and a fixed pattern of rhyme is known as option A an elegy, option B limerick, option C ode, option D sonnet. Here the correct answer is option D sonnet. Next question 64. On the approach of policeman, the bully showed a clean pair of heels. Here showed a clean pair of heels means option A ready to clarify, option B he showed his shoes, option C ran away, option D walked away. Here the correct answer is ran away. Next question 65. Which one of these does not belong to an elegy? Option A, a sad poem, option B, mourning poem, option C, emotional poem, option D, a joyful poem. Here the correct answer is option D, a joyful poem which is not belong to an elegy. Next question 66. Choose the bilingual consonant. Option A, PB, option B, TD, option C, TF, option D, KZ. Here the correct answer is option A, PB. Next question 67. Which is lateral consonant? Option A M, option B L, option C N, option D W. Here the correct answer is option B L. Next question 68. The symbol of underlined letter in the word ship is. Here the correct answer for the ship is option C. Next question 69. Phonetic transcription for the word zoot is. Option A. Here the correct answer is phonetic transcription zoot is option B. Here we present Z transcription in the syllable D and Z. Next question 70. Phonetic transcription for the word wreath is. Here the correct answer for this is option A. Next question 71. Important principles may and must be flexible. Who quoted this? Option A Woods, option B Washington, option C William Wick, option D Whitestone. Here the correct answer for this is B Washington. Next question 72. Natural order of learning a language is. Option A speaking, listening, writing and reading. Option B listening, writing, speaking and reading. Option C listening, speaking, reading and writing. Option D speaking, listening, reading and writing. Here the correct answer is listening, speaking, reading and writing, that we call LSRW. Next question 73. Which one of these is not an element of communicative approach? Option A communicative approach is a practical in use. Option B, it develops the speech ability. Option C, it is not practical in use. Option D, it lays stress on the functional value of the language. Here the correct answer is option C, which not belongs to an element of communicative approach is, it is not practical in use. Next question 74. Which is the latest application of teaching language? Option A structural approach, option B communicative approach, option C project approach, option D inductive deductive approach. Here the correct answer is option B communicative approach. Next question 75. Choose one of these which is not a remedy to resolve the challenges of teaching English. Option A provide certified and qualified teachers, option B building rapport, option C building confidence, option D use only one method of teaching. Here the correct answer is option D use only one method of teaching. Next question 76. Which one of these is not an advantage of online remedial education? Option A give a sense of isolation to the learner, option B elimination of barriers of time and space, option C it is cost effective, option D the instruction pace is flexible. Here the correct answer which is not an advantage is give a sense of isolation to the learner. Next question 77. Which one of these is a disadvantage of online remedial education? Option A, it is easy for the student to navigate information. Option B, no technical support from the instructor. Option C, a well-designed online course makes it easy. Option D, none. Here the correct answer is option B. Next question 78. Continuous evaluation is basically option A, formative in nature and is school-based. Option B, summative in nature and is school-based. Option C, formative in nature and teacher-based. Option D, summative in nature and teacher-based. Here the correct answer is option A, formative in nature and is school-based. Next question 79. Which one of these is not a merit of a group evaluation? Option A, different learning style cannot be evaluated. Option B, students learn in cooperative manner as they help one another in a group. Option C, a healthy competition in a group motivates them to learn. Option D, none. Here the correct answer for this question is option A. Next question 80. Summative evaluation. Option A, provide the information on improving a product or a process. Option B, provide information of short-term effectiveness or long-term impact for deciding the adaptation of a product or process. Option C, provide information about teachers and what they teach in the classes. Option D, none. Here the correct answer for this question is option B. Here we discuss passage and then solve the question. Passage. Lack of control by parents is also harmful. If parents do not impose any constraint on the adolescent, then they have a tendency to go astray and choose the wrong path and later become difficult to discipline. Such adolescents feels let down and think that nobody cares for them. Hence, some discipline from the parents is necessary. Question 81. Fill in the blanks may be an appropriate title for the given instinct. Option A, discipline. Option B, adolescence. Option C, lack of control. Option D, tendency to go astray. Here the correct answer is option A, discipline. Next question 82. Fill in the blanks with appropriate linking device which are given below. Fill in the blanks. Adolescents, fill in the blank. Their friends feel let down and think that nobody cares for them. Option A, both and. Option B, as. Option C, so and. Option D, though and. Here the correct answer is option A, both and. Question 83. They have a tendency, fill in the blanks, to go astray, fill in the blanks, to choose the wrong path. Option A, neither nor. Option B, either or. Option C, not only but also. Option D, so as. Here the correct answer is option C, not only but also. Next question 84. Adolescents as well as his friends, fill in the blanks, let down and think that nobody cares for them. Choose the appropriate verb to fill in the blanks in the above sentence. Option A, feel. Option B, feels. Option C, is feel. Option B, will be feel. Here the correct answer is option B, feels. Next question 85. If a guardian, fill in the blanks, not impose any constraints on the adolescents, then they have tendency to go astray. Choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. Option A, have. Option B, are. Option C, do. Option D, does. Here the correct answer is option D, does. Next, stanza and then answer. Question number 86. Choose the correct rhyme scheme in the above stanza. Option A, A, B, B. Option B, A, B, A, B. Option C, A, B, B, A. Option D, A, B, C, D. Here the correct answer is option B, A, B, A, B. Next question 87. Give me a flower delicious as the rose. Which figure of speech is used in this line? Here option A, metaphor. Option B, assonance. Option C, epithet. Option D, simile. Here we use as and this is used for simile, so correct answer is option D, simile. Next question 88. Richard was a lion in the fight. Which literary device is used in the above line? Option A, simile. Option B, metaphor. Option C, personification. Option D, alteration. Here the correct answer for this metaphor. Next question 89. Choose the correct figure of speech in the lines given below. Pride goeth forth on horseback, grand and gay, but cometh back on foot and begs its way. Option A, personification. Option B, simile. Option C, metaphor. Option D, none. Here the correct answer for this line is option A, personification. Next and last question 90. Betty Botter bought some butter. Which figure of speech used in the above line? Option A, simile. Option B, personification. Option C, alteration. Option D, metaphor. Here the correct answer for this line is option C, alteration. Thanks for watching.